All right, guys, gonna make a video here. I started pulling out this dash pad up front here. I've got the new one coming. It's supposed to be here yesterday. It didn't show up, but just to kind of show how brittle this is. I mean, yeah, it just crumbles when you're taking it apart. So, yeah, definitely dried out and seen better days. So, thought I'd kind of give a video of that. I mean, some of it comes out in bigger chunks, but a lot of it, I mean, it's just so brittle. So anyway, I'm gonna keep pulling it out, and then I'll cut back here in a little bit when I start to put it in. All right, so got it all out. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna clean it all up. One thing I'm gonna do before I put this in, I want to replace these little speakers up there. I don't know if those are like 3-inch, but anyway, I'm gonna look them up, find out what they are, and get the some new speakers to put up there before I put this new dash in place. So I've got a little bit of time. Like I said, the new one hadn't showed up yet, but yeah, I mean, this stuff's just super brittle. You can see how easy it just cracks. So anyway, that's what's left of the dash. They're pretty easy. I think if everything was there, these are the little clips that press in. All the front ones up here, these all press straight down, and then in the back, so you'd slip the dash in, pop all those in, and then drop the side closest to you in place, which I'll kind of show all that once I get all this cleaned up and get the new one in and get the speakers replaced. All right, hey guys, it's been a while since I recorded the first part of this video. I think today's like December 17th, and I probably started this back probably 10 days ago or better. So finally got my dash pad in. Looks pretty good. I got this one used off of eBay. It was in pretty good shape. All the big thing was all the tabs are solid. All the grates look good. There's some minor scratches right in there, but I don't think you'll ever see that because it's up underneath the black part of the window. So not super concerned with that. So the only thing I did notice when I ordered this, I wasn't 100% sure what color it was, and on the underside of mine, here's the piece off of mine, but on the underside, all of my like little sticker things that tell you the information, like that one there, which basically states this is slate, all that was gone from the heat. It just was yellowed. So I really wasn't 100% sure what color this was. There's only 3 colors. I really thought it was the taupe, which I believe this is. I think it's taupe. And I was right, but I took a chance and got the slate. Figured it shouldn't be that far off. If you look at the side panels and some of the other colored parts in this truck, there's nothing that's, I mean, there's several different shades and different colors. I mean, even these panels aren't the same. You look at the door pieces here, these are pretty close, but you know, those aren't exactly the same. So really wasn't super concerned with this being a little bit different, but for the price and being the shape that it's in, I went with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead. I've got everything cleaned off up there finally, off the dash, got it all vacuumed out. I actually took a shot back and ran it down through all my vents, and got all those cleaned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. So I'll cut back. So I basically just got it set up in there and put in place. Sorry, turn the truck off. So basically the way this goes in, so you don't break it. I don't know how well you guys can see up underneath there, but there's a tab right there. So basically those have all got to shove in first. So basically push the face down, shove everything forward and into place. And then once you get everything into place, then these back ones just press down. So you just work your way along all that and push everything down. So pretty simple to install, as you guys can see. Doesn't take a whole lot. Getting it out was a little more to getting it out, keeping things from breaking. But again, I think if your dash is in decent shape, it's probably not that bad to get it out. Mine was so dry and cracked. Literally any pressure I put on it, it just came to are broken to pieces. So anyway, I'm gonna keep working my way around this. I'm gonna jump over to the other side of the truck and finish putting it in, and then I'll cut back. All right, guys. I don't know how well you guys could see this, but got it all in place. I don't think it looks that bad. Again, it is a different color than what it's supposed to be. It's slate, but I really honestly can't tell it much of a difference, other than this one's not all broke to crap. So I'm happy with it. Again, I got a really good deal on it. It was used off of eBay, and fit perfect. So again, the shipping was a little slowed, but that was just due to the season, getting close to Christmas, and with COVID and everything that's going on. It's set at, I think, in Michigan or somewhere for quite a while. So, but it's in the truck now. Looks really good. The next thing I'm probably going to do, or should be doing, will be the mirrors on this truck. So in the process of doing the mirrors, I'm actually going to replace these speakers. So that video will be removing these door panels, putting new 6x9s in the doors, and I'm probably going to go ahead and get these pieces just because it bugs me that they're not there, and clean up these door panels a little bit. Once I get the new 6x9s, or while I'm doing that, I will also do these mirrors. This one here is actually fine. It's not broke, but around here, not a lot of room in the garage with the truck in here, but this one here is the one that I'm more concerned with. So got those mirrors coming. Hopefully they'll be here before too long, so I can get those thrown in. And again, I'll be putting speakers on both these doors. And then a couple other things I've got coming. Back here on the back, I've got these pieces. I'll be putting these in new where the little tabs are broke. Getting those put in, because more than anything, they just bug me because they vibrate back here and make noise. So I've got those coming. I did find some stuff on LNC trucks, in their magazine and online. They actually sell like a paint that is basically color matched to the interior. So I'm probably going to get a can of that here in the next couple of days to get that ordered, just to try to touch up these spots here, and as well it's worse on the other side over there. So to try to fix those, we'll see how that works. I've never really used that interior type spray paint, but it's worth a shot. It'll clean that up and make it look, I mean, anything's going to be better than what it looks now. So I'm going to give that a shot, see if I can take that all off, paint it, and see what it turns out like, as well as replacing another one of these. I think there's 2 missing in this truck. And that'll pretty much get the inside, other than just getting everything cleaned. And then eventually I will be doing these seats again. This passenger seat's pretty decent shape. So, but it is starting to get kind of hard in here. But as you guys can see, the driver's seat is pretty trashed. So I'll probably do new foam on that side, as well as the vinyl. And I'll put links to all that stuff as I continue to get stuff for this truck. But yeah, we'll see where it all goes. There's a lot of little things. The window, door seal, whatever you want to call that, along there I want to replace. So, a lot of little things I want to do to it. There'll be a video here coming pretty quick on putting a bed liner, also Raptor bed liner in the back of it. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet for as far as painting the truck. I'm really thinking about doing the whole Mako paint. I know they're pretty cheap, and if I do some of the body stuff myself, just kind of clean up the clear coat and clean up some of the stuff on the truck, and just having it painted back black is probably what I'll do. It's kind of hard to see how scratches on it with it being dirty, but the biggest thing is this, all that clear coat that's peeling on the top and as well as the hood just really bugs me. So again, a lot of other little things, headlights, grill, stuff that I'll be doing to it in the near future as well, as things come in, as I finish some of this stuff. So again, if anybody has any questions on this, putting in the dash was pretty simple. Was really wanting to have this done a lot sooner, but just due to receiving stuff now through the mail, it's a little slow. So again, once I get the mirrors, I'll get that posted up. And again, love it if you guys hit that subscribe button, smash like, share the videos. Really trying to push the channel like everybody else, trying to get monetized. So thanks for watching.